In this quick video, I will show you how to generate a proper formatted Google document using n8n. It took me a couple of hours to figure this out, so I'm hoping to save you some time. I'm Luc the Blog and let's dive in. First, let me show you how this actually works. So I will open the chat. I'm going to ask, write me a report on how to sell my car. The report is generated, so now let's check Google Drive. So here we see a nice formatted report. This can supercharge your reporting and put it to the next level. You see headings, bullet points, even lines, numbered lists with unorganized lists. So everything is here. And as you see, it's a very nice looking format. So want to know more? Stay tuned and I will explain it to you. First off, I'm starting with the trigger. For this demo, I just did like a chat, but you can do whatever you want. This will basically generate the reporting. So only thing that you need to make sure is that it's getting the value it needs to create a report for, and mention clearly that it needs to generate the output in markdown. So if you can generate it in markdown and it doesn't matter what to do, it's working perfectly. Down below I created an example output. You can do this yourself, and so you have a little bit of a nice structure on how you want your reporting to look like. Then the next node is markdown to HTML. So I will open this one. You make sure to put your content from the agent or assistant in here. Then give a nice name. I did report content. And in the options, make sure to select automatic linking to URLs. I like this because I want to have my document, and if I link to a competitor's website, for example, or an alternative, I can just click the link and it will open. The most important one is complete HTML document. This means that it will recreate your markdown formatting into HTML with the tags, with the headings, everything. So this is the most important one. And I also included table support. Well, if you are going to support something, why not support tables as well? Because if you output out tables, it will get a nice table, so why not? If you want more, feel free to go to the options, like example, emoji support. Just do your thing. It doesn't really matter. This one is the most important. Next up, I'm using a little bit of a JavaScript code, and this code is going to generate a binary HTML file. And as you can see on the right side, it generated the binary HTML file. This HTML file we're going to upload to Google Drive. And now we have uploaded it to Google Drive. Make sure to have the output HTML file, so the same as in the code. I call it HTML file, so you should keep it like this. Give a name for the report, slash, whatever you want, but I did HTML, so you can distinguish it between the HTML version and the markdown version. Choose a drive, a folder. So in my case it's demo. You can put it everywhere, and as you see, it will upload. Next up, it's going to be an HTTP request. So this HTTP request, with the use of this link and the body down below, will change the MIME type of your file into a document. And this is needed to transfer your HTML into like the markdown. So at first, you have the JSON ID, that's like the variable, but that's the variable of the uploaded HTML file. So this one on here. And now it copies it. So you have two. Then it will output the ID, name, MIME type, and the link, as you see on the right side. You should select predefined credential type if you're already connected to Google Drive. Use your Google Drive out to API, whatever you call it. And yeah, so you have the settings. select body, JSON, using JSON, and this is the JSON structure. So I will open this. As you can see, so this is my report name. It will generate the time and the date. So my time zone is the Netherlands, so this will generate a reporting in my time zone, because if you want to generate multiple, yeah, you need to make sure which time it is. So I thought it was nice putting it here. You can adjust this whatever you want, you remove it all and just have one name, it's fine. Okay, for the parents is basically the folder. And this is the folder where the HTML file is stored, and it's this yeah, attribute. So I put it there, then it's in the same folder as the HTML file. And the MIME type is going to change in a Google document like I explained. And lastly, you are going to delete the HTML file. So you will only have the proper markdown file visible in your yeah, Google Drive account or somewhere you want to store it. I hope this quick video was helpful, because I was looking for this everywhere and it took me a while to figure out, so this might help you and save you some time. You can also check out my other videos on my channel. I'll also put this template for free and down in the description below. If you want to work with me, I'll partner up. There's also a link down below, and I see you in the next one. Cheers!